So the unmeasured quality change of an item with the CPI is something that the CPI misses. So an example of this would be a smartphone. A smartphone today versus a smartphone 5 years ago. A smartphone today might be $1,000, where a smartphone 5 years ago might have only been $500. So it makes it look like it's a lot more expensive to live today than it was 5 years ago because the phone's twice as much money. So it's going to overstate the cost of living in this scenario because, yeah, the phone is twice the amount of money, but the quality of the item has improved. The camera's better, the memory's better, the functionality of the phone's better. So, yeah, you're paying more money, but you're getting a higher quality product for that. The CPI is just going to say, oh, the phone was 500 then, and it's like as if the phone didn't change quality at all, and it's still the same phone, and now you have to pay $1,000 for it. Where in reality, you are paying more, but the actual item is different, even though it's just called a phone. Just like a car today isn't the same as the Model T, the first mass-produced car. Yeah, it's called a car, but they're really not comparable. They're not apples to apples. So this is a problem that it misses those quality changes. So we try to take that into consideration, but it's hard to determine with a price change how much of that price change is due to the fact that the quality has changed and how much is due to the fact that in general prices are just going up over time anyways. And so it's missed really in the CPI. So it's going to overstate the cost of living. So my phone example, from $500 to $1,000, if your standard of living was just, or your CPI was just based off that phone price, it would look like it's twice as expensive to live, but in reality, you're getting more for your money with the newer phone. The features are better and so forth. So it's missing that quality change, and therefore just attributing all that price increase into just an increase in the cost of living, not attributing anything to a quality change. None of that price increase is really attributed to the quality change.